Guys, welcome back to Stop and Watch. Thanks for stopping on by. The other day, a friend of mine, his dad gave him this watch, and he said, if I can get it working and if I can fix the bracelet on it, that he can have it. And this is about $400 watch used. So it needed a new link and it needed me to remove a few links. So I'm actually going to show you how to use this style link remover to remove the links from this watch. I made a video previously and it was using this link remover, which is just kind of one of those cheap throwaway link removers. Still decent, but not as good and not as efficient as this one. So today I'm going to show you how to use this one. So the first thing you want to do, I'm going to keep this short and sweet, is you're going to turn it anti-clockwise to open up more space so that you can slide the watch between this. Then you're going to get the watch, and some watches actually show you an arrow to show you where the link goes to be pushed out. This watch doesn't have it. This watch I have on actually does. So let me give you an example. Okay, so see how this watch has got the arrows, so you push the links out that way. But this is just a much cheaper watch, but just to show you that all watches don't have arrows on it. This one does, this one does not. So when you look at this one, you're going to look just to make sure that there's no arrows. If you don't see any, then it's kind of a trial and error thing for pushing them out. Some are universal. So you place the watch inside the link remover, and then you slowly are going to turn it clockwise. And I'm going to lift this up just so you can see exactly what I'm doing. You're going to turn it clockwise, and the point of the link remover needs to be lined up with that hole. Okay, so you can see the hole there if it's zooming in, and then you slowly press it so it tightens up. Now on the other side, you're going to see that there's a gap right here, and then you're going to turn it clockwise until you feel the pressure of the link remover forcing the link out. Let me make sure I've got it lined up right. Okay, so now as you turn it clockwise, you can see that it slowly pushes the link out. And then you're going to back this up by going anti-clockwise again. You don't want to do it too far so it doesn't come out. Okay, now you can see that the link is exposed. So if this is a really tight link, you might need pliers to pull it out. Sometimes if it's loose enough, you can just use your finger and remove it. This one is a little bit tighter, so I'm going to use some pliers or some tweezers to pull that out. You just grab the end, and you shouldn't have to pull it too hard, just a little bit. You slowly maneuver it. Let me give it one more pull. Okay, the link comes out, and then you can open this up. Now you're going to do the same. If you want to remove a link, you're going to do the exact same. You find the next spot on the watch where you're able to remove a link, which would be right here. And you can do the same thing. You can do it anywhere where you see there's removable links. Make the watch smaller, fit it to your wrist, and then once you've done that, we're going to then insert the links back into the watch. Now, one thing you need to watch out for is, not on all watches, but watches like this type of link usually has a link sleeve that comes between this part. So if you ever put this back in and it's really loose, it probably means you lost the link sleeve and you'll need to get another one. Otherwise, the link won't stay in place. Might be very hard to see this on camera, but this is the link sleeve that I didn't notice slipped out. So we got to make sure that that is in the hole so that the link stays in place. And this is a good lesson for everyone. This link in particular needs to have this link sleeve so it slides in between it, and you can actually feel when you put this in between there's a lot of tension and you've got to put a lot of pressure to slide it back in, but that way it keeps the links in place on the watch. So you're going to slide the link sleeve back into this hole first. So that goes back in there. Once you know the link sleeve is in place, now you're going to line this back up, and then you'll be ready to put this sleeve, this link back in. And because the link sleeve is there, it's going to actually have a lot of pressure to it, which is good because it means the link's going to stay in place. And then you need to find something that's not going to damage the watch that you can push on to push the link back in. So I'm just going to use the edge of this knife. I'm going to push down on it. And see, it's already gone back in and I can already feel that it's really tight. So you can then make another push so it goes all the way in. And now it's nice and flush. Almost. This one needs pushing a little bit more. But now that's nice and tight. Everything's good on the watch. It's not going to fall out. I'll show you some more links that need link sleeves. So these are the additional links for this watch, which I can't use at the moment because it's got the link. But whoever owned this watch before, my friend's dad, he lost the link sleeve. So when you put this in the hole, it literally just falls right back out. It doesn't stay in place. So make sure you've got these link sleeves. I'll leave a link in the description for this style of watch of link remover, which this is the one I like to use the most. And I'll leave a few links for these links and for link sleeves in case you need any. Let me know if this was helpful for you. I went into a little bit more detail than I normally would, but thanks for watching. Leave me a comment down below. Ask any questions. I'd be happy to answer. And once again, guys, thanks for stopping on by.